is my 8/6/2024 market recap slash trade recap. I was bearish for London session. Well, the reason I was bearish, the 4 hour is bearish, the 4 hour was bearish, but this trade was kind of off because my risk to reward ratio was really high, was like a 14, I think 12 RR and a 14 RR, I think so, right? But it was like really unrealistic to go over here, like, you know, saying what was the reason so unrealistic to go over there, right? You know, I took a loss, by the way, just to let you guys know, but it was a good loss because I followed every single rule. I lost less because I tried my stop loss, which is very nice and fantastic. Why was this sells kind of bad? Market set at daily lows, fell for Vega pin, touched the order block, you know what I'm saying? Huge wick to the downside. So market does need to do a more up movement, right? Because look what the market has been doing recently, just dripping down. So I'm still sell for this other session that's coming forward. I'm gonna go for this sell for the other sell after this. You know what I'm saying? This source of liquidity, market should be giving us more bullish movement to the upside eventually. Next session we should definitely see more movement happening. But I was looking for sales. We had a 4 hour order block paired with an hourly order block and breaker block. I was looking for a sell, so right when it touched that, I was looking for a 5-minute confluence. What was my 5-minute confluence? A 5-minute confluence for today was basically a 5-minute order block. You know what I'm saying? I entered right here. My entry was kind of off. I broke one of my entry rules where I have to let the candle close, but I was at the gym, you know what I'm saying? I was like, it was like 3 seconds before the entry, right? So my entry was right over this candle ended bullish somehow. Wait, this candle right here, right? My entry was at a 5-minute order block. Once the 5-minute order block got touched, no, my entry was not there. My entry was this bearish candle right over here. You can see this bearish candle. That was my entry. My entry is supposed to be over here at the start of it, right? But yeah, 12 RR. I was like, this is unrealistic. Market should not be going down all the way over here. And the hourly John Lucky was bullish. Hourly botch is bearish. 4 hour botch is bearish. 4 John Lucky was bearish. So I was like, yo, this might be a loss, but it was a good loss because what market eventually gave us a breakthrough to the 5-minute time frame to the downside, and I've tried myself to right over here. So I was like, now if I lose the trade, guess how much I'm losing? I'm losing very less. I'm losing like $150 compared to me losing $500 here. So that's called risk management. Risk management was a point. But next time we have to let the candle close, which was a little bit off, but well, I was in the gym, you know, but no excuses, right? It was a really good loss. I loved it, you know, personally myself. I love this loss. Follow every rules, good build good habits, not bad habits. Prior to that, this loss was a very wonderful loss. We had a what do you call this? You could see trend line liquidity to the upside right over here. I was like, yep, if this gets sworn down, as you can see, that became liquidity. Eventually market came back up, gave us a entry to the downside again. I thought retracement would go down more, but market did not want to do that. You know what I'm saying? This is part of the game, losing a part of the game, which is very wonderful. When you know, it was a 5-minute order block, I was looking like, yo, this should be the entry. Got in before the 15-minute fair value gap, which was another good thing, right? Did not break none of my rules except the entry, which next time you let the candle close, but it was 3 seconds before. But yeah, next time we could do better, right? So yeah, and I will do better. But other than that, this trade was very good. My sell stop, you know, once he brushes down the 5-minute time frame, put my sell stop right over here. I was like, okay, if now the market goes back up, takes me out, I'll be more than happy. You know what I'm saying? Because I followed every rules. Now if the market takes me out, you know what I'm saying, I'm losing less. Risk match is on point. Everything's on point, right? Follow every single rule. Now we gotta keep on following that rule. Gotta keep on improving, right? Because also part of the game, you know, some days we're gonna lose, some days we're gonna win. But you know what I'm saying, winners eat the losers by a lot. And look, I'm losing like barely nothing. I barely lost like I think I lost $150 when I'm meant to be losing. When I'm meant to be losing 500, right? So if I put myself over here, if the market goes here, eventually took me out, right? From here, I would have been losing 500, but guess what? Try myself right over here. Guess how much I'm losing now? I'm losing $150 compared to the $500. That's right. That's good risk management, right? Personally, to me, I was just looking for our market to pull back down because this pullback up right here on this trade was, I was like, okay, this market might just rip back up. It's because of the reaction of the movement right on the 5-minute candle. I was like, yikes. So I was like, hey, I didn't even care if the market goes back up. I was so happy that I followed all my rules, right? But yeah, that's a trade recap on my 8/6/2024 market trade recap and market recap. It was a loss, $150 loss, I think. But yeah, but it was a really good loss personally to myself. I say myself that, right? But now I'm still gonna be probably looking for sales because the forward link is still telling me to bearish. It still is telling me it's gonna go sell side, right? After this, I believe we should get more up movement because going all the way down here is unrealistic. You know, I do want to see this touch this eventually. From here, gonna go back up right to the upside, right? But that's my A/6 at 2024 trade recap. Thank you for watching.